This just arrived. This is the Millab M01. I think this is the only one in South Africa. I'm gonna give you guys an unboxing, and we'll see what this thing is all about. Not a lot of reviews on this thing online. It's like maybe 3 people I think who've done like a proper review on this. So I think what I'm gonna do is a unboxing now, and we'll break down the features in another video. So for now, let's just see what's inside. Millab. Very nice box. Pineapple burr inside. Very fancy. Very heavy too. This thing weighs a lot. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, okay. First open it, this is what it looks like. What is this? Some kind of, what is this? Some kind of, oh, I don't know. Interesting. Some kind of token or something. Okay. That's maybe necessary. Maybe it's a badge. We'll see. All right. Grinder body. Ooh, this thing's heavy. Wow. Yo, guys, I'm coming from, let me show you guys what I'm coming from. This is my second grinder ever. My first was this one here. Yeah, you can see how the bag looks. This is my daily driver. I got the vessel. I keep it looking nice, you know. I just cleaned it actually. One thing I did with my vessel though is I actually modified the burrs. I put the Time War S2C 660 burrs in here, so I could do espresso with it. Not very granular, but it does grind fine enough to get into that espresso range. So now this is my upgrade. This is my update. And this thing here weighs way more, like maybe double the weight. Just the top part of the body. It's like, yeah, about twice as heavy as the vessel. All right, and then this catch cup. I've heard about this catch cup. It's an interesting locking system here. Let's see how it feels. Oh yeah, ooh, yeah, very smooth. Yeah, I like that. Rubber foot on the bottom. Wow, okay. Yeah, you know, I was in the market for a grinder for a long time. I didn't want to just buy something. I was looking at the Easy Presso lineup, but then I heard about this one. And, you know, I kind of like Time War. You know, I like their products. I like their design. I think they make really cool looking grinders. So yeah, I decided to go with this Millab instead of the Easy Presso. And wow, yo, this thing looks amazing. Oh, this thing's metal. I thought it was plastic. Okay. Nice and easy. This thing has your markings here. Shows you the ranges. So it says for espresso, it's from the 0 to 1.5 range. Espresso is my preferred brewing method, so yeah. Adjustments up here. Ooh, that feels really nice too. And this thing's well made. Wow. I will say something, man. The Chinese are really on top of their coffee gear game. They seem to be making the best products lately. So Anyway, let's check out what else we got here. Yeah, no, it fits nice. Very smooth. Wow. Very nice. Okay. I am curious about that pineapple burr I've been hearing about. So let's check that out. This is the Time Warlock. I remember seeing this thing from the Chestnut S3. Has a similar locking mechanism. Very curious about this burr. Very clean. Here is the dial. And here is the pineapple burr. Wow. You know what? I actually have the burr that came with my vessel. I have it sitting here. I don't use it very often. I'll sometimes switch it out, but yeah. Let's compare it. So the vessel uses 38mm burrs. This is that stock burr, that's pentagonal burr. A lot of grinders use this one. This one's actually quite good for pour over, but I don't really brew pour over very often, which is why I don't use it that much. But let's see. It looks like it's just slightly bigger. So I'm assuming this is a 40mm burr, because this is a 38. And height-wise, yeah, it is about 50% larger, as they say. It's a really funky design. These grooves, this is going to be cool. Very interesting to see what this does to the brew in the cup. I am looking forward to trying this thing out. All right, well, that is the unboxing. That is everything. And thanks for joining. And like and subscribe.